This is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's learn the steps. I'm going to turn my back to the camera so we can go over the steps here. We're going to start with our weight on the left. We're going to do 2 walks beginning on the right foot. Walk, walk. We're going to step out on the right and make a quarter turn to the left. Rock, recover. We're going to do a cross shuffle on the right. Cross, shuffle. We're going to do another cross shuffle, but we're going to turn a half turn first. Cross, shuffle. Section 2. We're going to rock, recover on the right. Rock, recover. We're going to do a behind side cross. We're going to step out on the left, quarter turn with the right, step forward on the left, and clap. Section 3 begins with 2 box steps beginning on the right, which looks like step together forward, step together forward. We're going to do a rock, recover, and 2 half pivot turns, making a full turn around. Half, half. Section 4 begins with a coaster step. Coaster step. Now we're going to do a sailor quarter turn to the left, quarter turn. We're going to step right, kick left, step back left, touch right. Now we're on our new wall and ready to start the dance again. Okay, let's do this dance one more time with the counts. Once again, I'm going to turn around. We're going to wait on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's simple. Okay, so this dance has 1 restart for 16 counts on wall 3. Remember, we started the dance on wall 1, and this is wall 2, and this is wall 3. So when I start my restart, I'll be facing this direction. Let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that's your restart. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.